And here we go. The famous pretzel bowl, a literally bread bowl that can hold liquid. Simply take a pan, turn it upside down, and spray it or butter it so it does not allow the dough to get stuck when it's in its baking cycle. So take your time, make sure you have it nice and coated. Now take the sheet, or if you're using a dough ball, cut out the proportionate amount and stretch it over your mold. You'll come over, work it all the way down. Now that it's taken form, simply grab your browner and give it a generous squirting. Take the salt, hit the edges good, a little bit on the bottom, spread that salt around. Simply bake off. After it's done baking, when it comes out, let it cool down just a minute and then pop the mold out. Turn it down, and there you go. There's the pretzel bowl.